In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move cards to Done in Trello. We'll use Trello's built-in automation, sometimes called Butler, to create a simple rule that moves cards to your Done list without you lifting a finger. By the end, you'll have a clean, hands-off workflow that keeps your board tidy and your finished work front and center. Start by opening Trello and heading to the board where you want this automation. From your board, open the Automation menu. If you don't see it in the top bar or sidebar, expand your board's menu and look for automation there. Next, go into Rules. Rules are event-based automations. Something happens on the board and Trello performs the action you define. Click Create Automation to start a new rule. We'll begin with the trigger, which tells Trello when to act. Choose Add Trigger, then select the option that reads when a card is added to list. Pick the specific list you want to monitor. This is the list that when a card arrives there should cause Trello to move the card to Done. For example, you might choose a Review or Ready list if you want cards to automatically roll into Done at that stage. Click the plus button to confirm your trigger selection. Now add the action. Choose the action that says Move the card to the top of list, and select your Done list as the destination. Choosing the top of the list ensures the newest completed items stay visible for quick reporting or weekly reviews. Click the plus button to add that action to your rule. With your trigger and action set, click Save. That's it, your automation is live. Anytime a card is added to the list you selected, Trello will move it straight to Done and place it at the top so it doesn't get buried. A quick test is helpful. Create or move a card into the trigger list and watch for the automatic move to Done. If it doesn't fire, double check that you selected the correct board lists and that the rule is saved. Also remember that automations run per board, so you'll need to set this up on each board where you want the behavior. A few tips to keep things smooth. Name your lists consistently so you always know which Done list to pick, and keep an eye on any plan-based automation limits if you run many rules. You can always come back to rules to edit or pause this automation as your workflow evolves. And that's how you automatically move cards to Done in Trello with a simple rule.